Jumping right into it, and what we're going to pack in our 10-inch pouch is, you already guessed it, sunscreen. But this one is the spray version, which is great. It is a continuous spray because kids are going to be like, ow, it's too rough, it's too hard, it's not all rubbed in. Just spray them, kids. Next up is a turbo fan. We need something with power, okay, y'all? Power, because it's hot and you want to be cool. So a turbo fan is a must, not one of those little rinky-dink fans. Next up is a body wipe. You want to stay fresh. In addition to being cool, you want to be fresh too. This one is great. Also, itch pads, bugs, they're just, summer and bugs, they just go hand in hand. So if you do happen to get a bug bite, these are perfect. Also, if you want to help prevent bug bites, are these wonderful mosquito patches. You just, put it right on. They're great. Also, disinfectant wipe and spray, because you're going to be out in public, you're going to be out eating. You want to wipe down all those surfaces and those icky germs. Next up is a foldable visor. These are amazing. They also help to save a lot of space. Get you one. So do all these items actually fit in the 10-inch pouch? You know it, mama. You know it. Here you see it. It has space. It's roomy. It's cute. Don't forget to subscribe and check out other videos brought to you by Bumble and Bundle.